It's been some time since I last did a curly hair video, so I thought I'd just do a quick video on a different product which I've been using recently in place of the Cantu custard. This one is KeraCare Defining Custard. I think it's about £6 per pot, but I'll have a look into that and I'll put it in the description below, and also where I usually buy it from. So my hair's already wet, so I'll just part it down the middle. And I really like this custard. I find it gives better hold than the Cantu, although I still like the Cantu, and I think I probably prefer the smell of the Cantu custard, because this one smells, it has a funny smell to it really, but you can't smell it once you've got it in your hair. It doesn't leave a smell really. So I'll just put some leave-in conditioner first. I've been using this Garnier Ultimate Blends 3-in-1 mask, which you can use as a leave-in conditioner. They do lots of different flavours. This one is papaya. So with the KeraCare custard, so I'll take about that much for one side. A little bit more, probably about the same again. My hair's really long at the moment. Haven't had a haircut in quite a long time, what with the lockdown, so I need to use quite a bit, but obviously depending on how long your hair is would obviously determine how much you need to use. So it's just trial and error really, and just when you can feel that there's a reasonable amount in there coating the hair. Okay, on the other side it's the same amount again. I don't like having the line down the middle. I'll flip it to the other side, shake it out a bit, and take about the same again. So I'll go away and leave that to dry, and I'll come back later and show you what it looks like then. Okay, so it's been a few hours now, my hair is dried, so this custard does dry to a slight cast, so you'll have to scrunch that out. So I'll just use my argan oil to do that. Just use a couple of drops. So yeah, I really like this custard. I find it defines my hair more than the Cantu, which was my previous favourite. And I also find that it has a stronger hold as well throughout the day. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe.